जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद
श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद
जय अद्वैत चंद्र जय गौरभक्ता वृंद जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैत चंद्र जय गौरभक्ता वृंद जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैत चंद्र जय गौरभक्ता वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण जय गौरानिताय जय गौरानिताय जय गौरानिताय परिवृतकाचार्य अष्टोत्तर शतश्री श्रीमती डिवाइन ग्रेस अभय चरणारविंद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्री प्रभुपाद की ISKCON founder Acharya, Deputy founder Acharya, Savior of the whole world, Srila Prabhupada ki जय। ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्रजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तर शत श्री श्रीमद भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर श्रील प्रभुपाद की, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की, नामाचार्य श्रील हरिदास ठाकुर की। प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की। श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गोप गोपिका श्याम कुंद राधा कुंद गिरिराज गोवर्धन की। ब्रजभूमि श्री वृंदावन धाम की, मथुरापुरी धाम की, पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र श्री जगन्नाथपुरी धाम की, श्री नवद्वीप मायापुर धाम की, गंगा मैया की, यमुना मैया की, भक्ति देवी की, श्रीमती तुलसी महारानी की, समवेत गौर भक्त वृंद की, श्री श्री राधा वृंदावन चंद्र की, श्री श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा मैया की, श्री श्री निताय की, ग्रंथराज श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत की, श्री कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी की, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे। All glories to the assembled devotees, all glories to the assembled devotees, all glories to the assembled devotees, all glories, all glories, all glories to Shri Guru and Shri Gauranga. Namo Vishnupadaye Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Shrimati Bhakti Vedanta Swamin iti namine. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine. अमज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरोः श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणा रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगणा ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Welcome to our continuation on Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita by Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Adi Lila 4th chapter, the confidential reasons for the Lord's appearance. Last time we discussed up to 92nd verse, which says the word Sarvakanti, referring to Srimati Radharani's body, indicates that all beauty and luster rest in her body. All the Lakshmis derive their beauty from her. 93. Please repeat. Kimva kanti shabde Krishnera sabha ichha kahe, Krishnera sakala vancha Radha tei rahe. Kanti may also mean all the desires of Lord Krishna. All the desires of Lord Krishna rest in Srimati Radharani. 94. राधिका करेण कृष्णेर वांछिता पुराण सर्वकांति शब्देरयै अर्थ विवरण. Srimati Radhika fulfills all the desires of Lord Krishna. This is the meaning of Sarvakanti. जगत मोहन कृष्ण आहार मोहिनी अतएव समस्तेर पराठकुराणी. Lord Krishna enchants the world, but Shri Radha enchants even him. Therefore, she is the supreme goddess of all. Radha Purna Shakti,
Radha Purna Shakti,
Krishna Purna Shaktiman,
Krishna Purna Shakti,
Dui Vastu Bhedanai, Shastra Paraman. Sri Radha is the full power and Lord Krishna is the possessor of full power. The two are not different as evidenced by the Vedic scriptures, by the revealed scriptures. Mృగద్మద తారగంధ ऐछे अविच्छेद अग्नि ज्वालाते ऐछे कबू नाही भेद. They are indeed the same, just as musk and its scent are inseparable, or as fire and its heat are non-different. Krishna is Shaktiman, the source of all power, and his Shakti is in the form of Srimati Radharani. Two examples he gave. One of fire has heat as characteristic, and musk has what is the characteristic? Scent. Musk means kasturi. Mrugmad. राधा कृष्ण ऐच्छे सदा एक ही स्वरूप लीला रस आस्वादिते धरे दुई रूप. Thus Radha and Krishna are one, yet they have taken two forms to enjoy the mellows of pastimes. प्रेम भक्ति शिखाइते आपने अवतरी राधा भाव कांति दुई अंगीकार करी. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य रूपे कैल अवतार यही था पंचम श्लोकेर अर्थ प्रचार. To promulgate prema bhakti, devotional service in love of Godhead, Krishna appeared as Sri Krishna Chaitanya with the mood and complexion of Sri Radha. Thus I have explained the meaning of the fifth verse. So fifth verse out of 14 verses, which are the Mangalacharan of entire Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, first 14 verses. So 5 verses he has explained. Now he is getting into 6th verse. Shashta shloker artha karite prakash prathame kariye se shloker abhas. To explain the 6th verse, I shall first give a hint of its meaning. अवतरी प्रभु प्रचारिल संकीर्तन एहो बाह्य हेतु पूर्वे करियाची सूचन. The Lord came to propagate Sankirtan. That is an external purpose, as I have already indicated. So how many reasons? External reasons? 3. So one of them is to propagate Sankirtan. And how many internal reasons? 3 again. So external reason is to propagate Sankirtan. अवतारेर आर एक आछे मुख्य बीज रसिका शेखर कृष्णेर सेई कार्य निज. There is a principal cause for Lord Krishna's appearance. It grows from his own engagements as the foremost enjoyer of loving exchanges. External reason is he is giving this Sankirtan Harinam, but internally he is a supreme enjoyer. So that he is explaining. Ati Guda Hetu se Trividha Prakar Damodara Swarupa Haite Yahara Prachar. That most confidential cause is threefold. Swarup Damodar has revealed it. Swarupa Gosai Prabhur Ati Antaranga Tahate Janena Prabhur Yesava Prasanga. Swarup Goswami Gosai is the most intimate associate of the Lord. He therefore knows all these topics well. So something about Swarup Damodar Goswami in the purport. Prior to the Lord's acceptance of the renounced order, Purushottam Bhattacharya, a resident of Navadvip, desired to enter the renounced order of life. Therefore he left home and went to Benares, where he accepted the position of Brahmacharya from a Mayavadi sannyasi. When he became a Brahmachari, he was given the name Sri Damodar Swarup. He left Benares shortly thereafter without taking sannyas, and he came to Nilachal, Jagannath Puri, where Lord Chaitanya was staying. He met Chaitanya Mahaprabhu there and dedicated his life for the service of the Lord. He became Lord Chaitanya's secretary and constant companion. By his grace only that all the devotees of Lord Chaitanya could know the real purpose of the Lord. Swarup Damodar has been identified as Lalita Devi, the second expansion of Radha. There are four names in Mayavadis for brahmacharis. One is Swarup. So because he was humble, he took that brahmachari thing only, so he kept his name. He was given the name Swarup. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would lovingly call him Damodar, so he became famous by the name Swarup Damodar. Swarup is one name, Prakash is another name, Ananda is one name, and Chaitanya is another name. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also, though he took sannyas, he kept brahmachari name Sri Krishna Chaitanya. So these are the four brahmachari names. Likewise, they have 10 titles for sannyasis also. Giri, Nada, Parvat, Puri, Bharti, Saraswati, and some four more. So according to some north, this is Varanasi event, maybe north they give Swarup name. Similarly in Sringeri Mutt they have another name, maybe Prakash or whatever. And likewise, northeast, west, south, they have their four branches, Mayavadis. राधिकार भवमूर्ति प्रभुर अंतर से भावे सुख दुख उठे निरंतर. The heart of Lord Chaitanya is the image of Sri Radhika's emotions. Thus feelings of pleasure and pain arise constantly therein. These transcendental affairs can be understood on two platforms. One is called elevated and other is called super elevated. The loving affairs exhibited in Dwarka are the elevated form. The super elevated position is reached in the manifestations of the pastimes of Vrindavan. The attitude of Lord Chaitanya is certainly super elevated. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is relishing that Vrindavan, Braj mood, super elevated consciousness. Nagar means the enjoyer of the damsels of Vraja. He says in the Yashomati Nandana, Rajabara Nagara. Nagar means the enjoyer of damsels of Vraja. शेषलीलाय प्रभुरा कृष्ण विरह उन्माद भ्रममय चेष्ट आर प्रलापमय वाद. In the final portion of his pastimes, that is Antilila, Lord Chaitanya was obsessed with the madness of separation from Lord Krishna. He acted in erroneous ways and talked deliriously, as if he has gone crazy. So he is making errors in speaking. So this is not errors like we make while speaking. This is Mahabhav, Mahabhava Swarupa, Sri Radha Thakurani. She Radharani, the way she would feel delirious, like that Mahaprabhu also experienced that. राधिकार भावाय छे उद्धव दर्शने से भावे मत्त प्रभु रहे रात्रि दिने. Just as Radhika went mad at the sight of Uddhav, so Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was obsessed day and night with the madness of separation. When the feelings of separation become very intense, one attains the stage of meeting Sri Krishna. So in separation there is Sambho. This means in Viraha there is Sambho, there is Milan. One thinks very fondly. We can also see that if you love somebody and you remember intensely, so you feel you are with him only, like that. On the contrary, sometimes person may be next to us, but we are careless, we are indifferent. We don't care. So we don't get so much help by that person. In a sense, we don't feel his presence so much. रात्रे प्रलाप करे स्वरूपेर कंठ धरी आवेशे आपन भाव करये उघाड़ी कहये उघाड़ी. At night he talked incoherently in grief with his arms around Swarup Damodar's neck. He spoke out his heart in ecstatic inspiration. Like Radharani would put her arms around Lalita and would talk her heart that how I'm feeling separation from Krishna. Where is he? When will he come? So like that, same here. Krishna in the form of, in the mood of Radharani is talking to Swarup Damodar, who is Lalita. यबे यही भाव उठे प्रभुर अंतर सही गीति श्लोके मुक्षुख देन दामोदर. Whenever a particular sentiment arose in his heart, Swarup Damodar satisfied him by singing songs or reciting verses of the same nature. So sing songs, devotional songs. एबे कार्य नाही किछु ये सब विचारे आगे हा विचारिब करिया विस्तारे. To analyze these pastimes is not necessary now. Later I shall describe them in detail. It will come. So that's why there are hardly any purports. We are also not able to discuss much. We are going ahead. Now just the point is how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come in the mood of, Krishna has come in the mood of Srimati Radharani, in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Purve vraje Krishnera Trividha Vayo Dharma Omara Pauganda Ara Kaishora Ati Marma. Formerly in Vraja, Lord Krishna displayed three ages, namely childhood, boyhood and adolescence. His adolescence is especially significant. वात्सल्य आवेश कैला कौमार सफल पौगंड सफल कैला लैया सखा बल. Parental affection made his childhood fruitful. So in childhood he had great thick condensed relationship with Mother Yashoda and Nanda Maharaj because he is all the time with them only. His boyhood was successful with his friends. Sakhyarasa he experienced in boyhood. राधिकादि लैया कैला रासादि विलास वांछा भरी आस्वादिला रसेरा निर्यास. In youth he tasted the essence of rasa, fulfilling his desires in pastimes like the rasa dance with Srimati Radhika and the other gopis. So in youthful days, Shringar ras. So Vatsalya ras, Sakhya ras, Shringar, Madhuri ras. कैशोर वयसे काम जगत सकल रासादि लीलायतिन करिल सफल. In his youth, Lord Krishna made all three of his ages and the entire universe successful by his pastimes of amorous love like the rasa dance. So in youthful days also he had a relationship with friends and mother. But the top relationship with the gopis, amorous love. Swapi Kaishoraka Manayan Madhusudanaha Reme Shri Ratnakutashtha Sapasukshapitahitaha. Lord Madhusudan enjoyed his youth with pastimes on autumn nights in the midst of the jewel-like milkmaids. Thus he dispelled all the misfortunes of the world. This is from Vishnu Purana. So you can see in Puranas also, other Puranas also, there is mention of Krishna's even Ras Leela. It's not like other Puranas don't speak, but not so much like Bhagavad Purana. In there, exclusively so many chapters, 90 chapters about Krishna Leela, and so many chapters about his Vrindavan pastimes. Vacha suchita sharva rirati kala pragal bhyaya radhikam vrida kunchita lochanam vichayan Nagre Sakhinamasav Tadvakshoruhachitra Makari Panditya Param Gataha Kaishoram Safalika Roti Kalayan Kunje Viharam Harihi So this is amorous description by Srila Rupa Goswami in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Lord Krishna made Srimati Radharani close her eyes in shame before her friends by his words relating their amorous activities on the previous night. Then he showed the highest limit of cleverness in drawing pictures of dolphins in various playful sports on her breasts. In this way, Lord Hari made his youth successful by performing pastimes in the bushes with Sri Radha and her friends. So we have to know our heart is filled with lust, so we may think, what is this? This is not a problem. This pleased Krishna, this pleased Radharani, this pleased gopis. But our hearts are impure, so we are morose. Harireshana chedavatachischarish. Harir eshana ched avatirashan. Russian नहीं है. No problem. Russian devotees in relish. मथुरायां मधुराक्षी राधिका च अभविष्यत्यं वृथा विसृष्टेर् मकराङ्कस्तु विशेषतस्तदार्थ. O Purnamasi, if Lord Hari had not descended in Mathura with Srimati Radharani, his entire creation and especially Cupid, the demigod of love, would have been useless. This is spoken by Shri Vrunda Devi in Vidagdhamad Goswami. Hey Mata Purve Krishna Rase Rasadana Yadyapi Karila Rasa Niryasa Charvana तथापि न हिलति न पांचित पुराण अहम आस्वादिते यदि करिलयतन. Even though Lord Krishna, the abode of all mellows, had previously in this way chewed the essence of the mellows of love, still he was unable to fulfill three desires, although he made efforts to test them. So for 100 plus years that Krishna came and stayed here on planet Earth, and he enjoyed life with parents, friends and lovers, but three desires remained unfulfilled. Tahara Paramavancha Kariya Vyakhyan Krishna Kahe Namiyai Dasera Nidan. I shall explain his first desire. Krishna says, I am the primary cause of all rasas. Purnanandamayami Chinmaya Purnatattva Radhikara Premyama Paraya Unnati. I am the full spiritual truth and am made of full joy. But the love of Srimati Radharani drives me mad. So he is full spiritual truth, full joy. But still, Radharani drives me mad. ना जानी राधार प्रेमे आछे कत बोल ये बलि मारे करे सर्वदा विभला. I do not know the strength of Radha's love with which she always overwhelms me. Radhikara prema guru ami shishya nata dama nana nrutte nachaya udbhatta. The love of Radhika is my teacher and I am her dancing pupil. Pupil means student, disciple. Her prema makes me dance various novel dances. So Guru makes disciple dance. So Radharani's love makes me dance. And I dance in novel ways. Kasmadrunde priya sakhi harehe padamulat kutto asau. Kundaranni imiha kurute nrutya shiksham guruho kaha. Tam tavat murtihi pratitarulatam digvidukshu spurat Randi. शैलो शिव भ्रमति परितो नर्तयन्ति स्वपश्चात्. So there is a conversation in Govinda Lilamrit. Krishna Kaviraj Goswami is telling, "Oh my beloved friend of Vrinda, where are you coming from? I am coming from the feet of Sri Hari. Where is he? In the forest on the bank of Radha Kund. What is he doing there? He is learning dancing. Who is his master? Your image, Radha, revealing itself in every tree and creeper in every direction, is roaming like a skillful dancer, making him dance behind." So who is asking these questions? Radharani is asking to Vrunda Devi or friend? Oh my beloved friend Vrunda. Ha, okay. Not beloved friend of Vrunda. Vrunda. Radharani is asking Vrunda Devi, what is Hari doing? So he is learning dancing from whom? From your image, revealing itself in every tree and creeper. So Krishna is able to see Radharani in every tree, every creeper, and in every direction. So he is roaming like a skillful dancer. Because of that, he is going here. Radha is here, going, and Radharani is the image only in the trees and plants. Is making him dance. He is learning dancing. निज प्रेम स्वादे मोर आया ये अल्लादा तहाँ होते कोटि गुण राधा प्रेम स्वाद. Whatever pleasure I get from tasting my love for Srimati Radharani, she tastes 10 million times more than me by her love. So Krishna's love for Radharani is one, what else? X. But she tests 10 million X, not 10X. 10X is for engineers. But for Radharani, 10 million X. She tests 10 million times more than me by her love. आम्ही आईचे परस्पर विरुद्ध धर्माश्रय राधा प्रेम तैचे सदा विरुद्ध धर्ममय. Just as I am the abode of all mutually contradictory characteristics, so Radha's love is always full of similar contradictions. So it's difficult to understand in one sense. Krishna is also having is abode of all mutually contradictory characteristics. Sukha Dukkha can be simultaneously present in him. Happiness, distress, and all that kind of thing. All contradictions resolve in the Supreme Lord. That is the speciality of the Lord. Tavakara Kamalavare Nakham Adbhuta Shringam. Hands are very soft like lotus. The nails are hard like thunderbolt. राधा प्रेमा विभूयार बाड़ीते नाही ठाई तथापि से क्षणे क्षणे बाड़ये सदाई. Radha's love is all pervading, leaving no room for expansion, but still it is expanding constantly. So much Radharani's love is there. It is all pervading, but then still expanding also. यहाँ वही गुरु वस्तु नाही सुनिश्चित तथापि गुरुर धर्म गौरव वर्जित. There is certainly nothing greater than her love, but her love is devoid of pride. That is the sign of its greatness. She could be all the more proud of her love, but she is having no trace of pride. That is her greatness. यहाँ हाइते सुनिर्मल द्वितीय नाही आर तथापि सर्वदा वाम्य वक्र व्यवहार. Nothing is purer than her love, but its behavior is always perverse and crooked. The pure things are not perverse in generally, not crooked, but her love is like that. That's how all contradictions come in one sense. So Krishna is abode of contradictions, and similarly Radharani also, her love is also having a lot of contradictions. Ordinarily, one cannot understand. Only by the grace of Hari or Guru only. विभूरपि कलयन् सदाभिवृद्धिम् गुरुरपि गौरवचर्यया विहिनः मुहुर् मुहुर् मुहुरुपचित् वक्रिमापि शुद्धो जयति मुरद्विषे राधिकानुरागः. This is from Srila Rupa Goswami Dan Keli Kaumudi. All glories to Radha's love for Krishna, the enemy of the demon Mura. Although it is all pervading, it tends to increase at every moment. So that which is already pervading, all pervading, how can it be increasing? This is a contradiction. It tends to increase at every moment. Although it is important, it is devoid of pride. And although it is pure, it is always beset with duplicity. Just like if we have, let's say we burn some fire here, so the, what you call that, smoke will spread all over this room. But then if you continue the fire, the smoke will be more and more and more, and it will keep pervading this room only in one sense. But Radharani's love is far superior than this also. It will go everywhere else also. It is achinta in one sense. We cannot understand. In fact, Krishna could not understand. Who are we to understand? So he had to come as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to understand. Hopefully he understood it. Because he came with the heart of Radharani, so he must understand. So we cannot understand. Sei Premar Shri Radhika Parama Ashray Sei Premar Ami Hoi Kevala Vishay. Shri Radhika is the highest abode of that love, and I am its only object. So Krishna just gets that love, but she is the reservoir of that love, abode. Vishaya Jatiya Sukha Amara Aswada Amahaite Koti Guna Ashrayir Allahad. I taste the bliss to which the object of love is entitled. But the pleasure of Radha, the abode of that love, is 10 million times greater. It's like from a huge reservoir of water, you take little water, like we have an overhead tank. So from that we all take bath. We are the object, but that is a reservoir of water that has so much water. Ashraya Jatiya Sukha Paite Manadhai Yatne Aswadite Nari Ikari Upai. My mind runs to test the pleasure experienced by the abode, but I cannot test it even by my best efforts. How may I test it? So as Krishna is not able to test it, his mind is running to that reservoir of pleasure, that is Radharani. He has to accept her mood. Prabhu yadi yai premar aiye ashray tabe yai premanandir anubhava hai. If sometime I can be the abode of that love, only then may I taste its joy. He has to accept Radharani's mood. In the loving affairs of Radha and Krishna, Radharani is the Ashray feature and Krishna the Vishay. Krishna is Ashray according to Srimad Bhagavatam, the 10 subject matters that are described in the 10th chapter of 2nd canto, first verse. Yatra Atra sargo visargascha sthanam poshanam utaya anvantara ishanukata nirodho muktirashraya. So sarga, visarga, primary creation, secondary creation, sthanam, planetary systems, which planet where, poshanam, the protection by the Lord, uti, creative impetus, manvantara, the changes of the manus, ishanukata, the Lord's pastimes, science of God, ishanukatha, nirodha, that is winding up, then mukti, liberation, and ashraya, the summum bonum. Krishna is the ashraya. The 10 subject matters of Bhagavatam, that ashraya is Krishna. But here you see, in the loving affairs of Radha and Krishna, Radharani is the ashraya feature and Krishna is the Vishay. So this is higher syllabus for Krishna also. Therefore, to feel the pleasure of the Ashray category, Lord Krishna appeared as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is one reason. एत चिंती रहे कृष्ण
Krishna,
परम कौतुकी हृदये बाढ़ये प्रेम लोभ धक धकी धकी नहीं धक धकी. After K there is no A, so dhak dhaki. Thinking in this way, Lord Krishna was curious to test that love. His eager desire for that love increasingly blessed in his heart. ये एक शुन आर लोभेर प्रकार स्वमाधुर्य देखी कृष्ण न विचार. That is one desire. Now please hear of another. Seeing his own beauty, Lord Krishna began to consider. So that we will see next time. Any question? The three internal reasons are being explained. First he explained. Second is starting now. And 146 on the third. Anyway, this is a high subject matter. But just in case you have any.
Whatever question came in my head after that, we cannot understand.
If you understand that you cannot understand, then you understand everything. Because you understand, Krishna is ununderstandable. Evam yo vetti tattvataha. One who knows Krishna fully, tattvadeham punajanma naiti. So that humility is good. That I am not able to understand you, Lord. So with that humility, we will go back to God. Okay. Rashtriya Prabhu has understood. Rashtriya Prabhu is special. He understands.
How to understand the spiritual the joy between Krishna and Radha, and then material, like the difference between spiritual joy and between Radha and Krishna, material joy between and boy, like
In that, person keeps himself in center in material joy, material amorous stories. One gets pleasure in for himself. That's why he goes on. And that's why when they are separated, they forget each other. If they are married to somebody else, then they forget each other. Or some other reason, that fellow became bankrupt, or she became beautyless. He got fire accident. Skin is burnt. So he forgets her. He doesn't want to see her. But that is not the relationship between Radha Krishna. So Krishna went away, Mathura. Radharani's love was ever increasing. And for decades, it just went on increasing on. Yes. So we'll end here. ग्रंथराज श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत की जय. श्री कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी की जय. श्री प्रभुपाद की समवेत गौर भक्तवृंद की जय. निताई गौर प्रेमानंदी.